we can compress data. We have a lot of data compression modules. We have zlib, GZIP, BZ2, LZMA, zipfile. All of them, they are for we will use just zlib for now to compress just basic strings. And here we have 41, the len of this string, which is, let's say, the binary representation of s is something like this. In Python, it's like if we do the binary one, it's something like this. If we want to compress s, can compress it with zlib of s, like G is the compression of Z, and this will take only just 37. Let's say the length of this one would be just 37. So I guess like the length of s here would be len. Yeah, I guess it's also 41 characters, so it's totally fine. But here, if we take this T and print T, we'll have some compression. We have compressed actually this S string into some more compressed T with some zlib algorithms. You can even check what are the algorithms of compress like the compressing algorithms. I think I have made something about it. Yeah, here we have another compress. Here we can decompress T. T doesn't have really a nice way of seeing it, but you can decompress it and see it in the original format. There we can use another compression. Like here this is the compression, and here we have another compression, which is this one. And here we can also like zlib.decompress this one, and we will have something decompress T. But like CLC, so doc CLC string compute CLC checksum. So it's more for computing this CLC32 checksum. Maybe it would be something that is quite useful in some kind of compression, say compute. Yeah, there are two different checksums. It's just like basic example of compressing and decompressing data. I would leave you, if you're interested into this, you can check it like quite yourself.